Hi guys, welcome back to another Aerodrome's update. So today again we are looking at Aerodrome and I think it did successfully break out, but unfortunately there was no momentum, but I think it has started to recover. We will discuss the price later, but as of now let's just look at what happened with Aerodrome this week. So we are starting from July 8th. As you can see, we left I think on July 7th. So let's see what is happening here. So as expected, Uniswap has actually reached Aerodrome. As you can see here, still Aerodrome is the top chain on the base, but Uniswap is reaching there. So I think that's something you have to keep that in mind. After that, we have Aerodrome's volume dominance on base. It has actually gone up, so that's pretty good. As you can see, it is much more than Uniswap, and I think it actually increased from 60% to 70%, so that is a lot. 71 to 72%, so that is a lot, I think. After that, we have again new slipstream rewards, as you can see here, and we have meme coins are well suited to benefit from Aerodrome's flywheel for three main reasons. First of all, higher volumes and trading fees attract AERO, so that means we have much more demand for AERO. We have AERO rewards sustain liquidity in all volatility conditions, so that's pretty good. And after that, slipstream pools attract more volume and the cycle is reinforced. And we have high volume fees and bread cases. Bread has been the clear volume leader on the base of the last couple of months, so of course bread is I think the biggest meme coin on base as of now. Despite starting with no liquidity on Aerodrome, bread has seen slipstream volume of over 100 million, so that is a lot in a few weeks to generate over 120k in weekly fees, so that is a lot. That means that AERO holders are getting these fees, so that is pretty good. After that, we have by Epoch 43, Benji slipstream pool ranked number 1 in on-chain volume and continues to support over 30 million in weekly swaps, so that is pretty good I think for AERO. And again, they are actually putting a lot of I think thoughts into the meme coins and Aerodrome, and I think meme coins will most likely bring a lot of volume to Aerodrome, and they are one of the main source of income I think for the AERO holders as well, so that's pretty good. After that, we have Aerodrome. Superfast is now live on Aerodrome, so that's pretty good. 280k OP have been allocated to new VE Aero lockers on base, so that means we will most likely have a new. We I think most likely had a lot of demand for AERO because of that, because I think we had new Aero Coin holders locking their coins for this reward, so that's pretty good. Again, super fast AERO lock bonus, so there has been never. Okay, so basically I think here they are actually motivating users to actually lock their AERO coin for this bonuses, and I think that's pretty good. And as you can see here, Aerodrome volume takes flight. Aerodrome hit 1 billion in cumulative volume within 7 months and skyrocketed to 15 billion in just 3.5 months later, so that is big one. Again, after that, we have Aerodrome's volume going parabolic again. I think it almost hit its all-time high, so that's pretty good. And beside that, base team making it easier to securely work with Aerodrome, so that has to do with the Aerodrome I think work. After that, we have the Superfast again, and we did have a new listing I think. We have Moss coin launching on the Aerodrome, so that's pretty good. So I think it has to do with AI optimized yield, so that's pretty good. It is an AI project coming up to Aerodrome, so we have some UI updates as well. We have 2 new features to look forward to coming up, our deposit specific APR, so that's pretty good. We have Mellow ALM manage liquidity from their friends at Mellow, so that is coming up for the Aerodrome. And again, Aerodrome did actually beat Uniswap version 3 by 37% in the last 30 days, so that's pretty good. So beside that, we are done with the update. So now let's move to the Aerodrome's epoch. So we are into epoch 46 and it will end on 18th, as you can see here. And if you just look here, the volume has been pretty good. What we are interested is in the volume, and this is the volume. So they did end up hitting 1.6 billion, and the previous high is around 1.78 billion, but I think that is a pretty big increase, and I think we'll most likely see a lot of volume this week as of now. So as of now, we still have, I think, 3 or 4 days to go, and we have already hit 455 billion, so a million, and I think we are easily going over 1 billion this week as well. So that is pretty awesome for Aerodrome, I think. And the main thing is the locked increase. So as you can see here, in epoch 45 we had around 4 million new Aero locked, so that's pretty good. And as of now we have only seen 661k, but still that is pretty good amount. But I think we'll most likely see more than that, and I think that's pretty good. And I think this locking mechanism is what drives Aerodrome's price, so that's pretty good. And if you look here, as of now, I think we do have around, I think, 621 million Aero Coin locked, so that's pretty good overall. So looking at DeFi, the DeFi is going down overall. As you can see, this is a total TVL, and it has gone down from 107 billion, and we are down to 90 billion as of now. So if you just look at base, we are down to 144, and it has started to recover after hitting its low around 134 billion. So that's pretty good. And whereas for the Aerodromes, I think TVL did go down, but it has started to recover, as you can see, and it has already gained over 7.41%. so that is pretty good for the Aero, I think, overall. As you can see here, we did end up hitting 495 billion or million. I think this was most likely the bottom, and as of now it has started to recover. So I think overall everything seems like pretty good for Aerodrome's TVL. So let's look at the price action and price analysis of Aerodrome. So if you watched my previous video, we did hit a pretty good demand zone here, and around it did go as low as 40 cents, as you can see, and again it has started to recover, and I think it has to do with BTC as well. And as of now, BTC has stabilized as of now. So I think if the market does remain stabilized, we will most likely head higher, because if you just look here, I think we did break this downtrend, so that was pretty awesome. Just a second, I will read. Okay, so we did break this downtrend, and as of now we have started to go up. So I think we may even have I think we do have resistance somewhere around here. So I will just draw that. So I think we do have a resistance around here, but I think Aerodrome will most likely, if the market does stabilize of now, I think we are most likely heading towards 82 cent to 79 cent, and that seems to be a pretty good support zone as well, as you can see here. So let's see, first of all, if we do end up hitting this zone, I think we'll most likely go down again, or if we do break this zone, I think we are most likely heading even higher, most likely heading towards $1. But first of all, we have to break 80 cent or 82 cent resistance zone. Overall, if we do go down below, I think again we are most likely heading towards 31 cent if the BTC does go down. But as of now, it seems like Aero wants to go up, so hopefully I think we have changed the trend as of now, and we hopefully are in the uptrend as of now from the looks of it. Anyways, we'll wait and see what happens. This was this week's update. I hope you liked it. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.